In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing and subscriptions in QuickBooks Online. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online company. Make sure you're signed in with an admin role that can manage billing. It also helps to confirm you're in the correct company file if you have access to more than one. Once you're ready, head to the search bar at the top of the page and type subscription. This takes you straight to the billing and subscription area where all your plan and payment details live. On this page, you'll see your current plan, the next charge date, your billing history, and the options to make changes. If you need to update how you pay, look for the payment method section and choose edit. Here's where you can update your card or bank information. Enter the new details carefully and be sure the billing address matches what your bank or card issuer has on file to avoid declines. If there's an option to set the new method as your default, turn that on, so future charges use it automatically. After you save, wait for the confirmation message and double check that the last 4 digits and expiration date now reflect your updated method. If you use multi-factor authentication, you may be prompted to verify before the change is finalized. If you're planning to stop your service, select Cancel Subscription. You'll see a few prompts that explain what happens next. Typically, you keep access until the end of your current billing period, and after that, you may have read-only access for a limited time. Before you finalize, consider exporting reports, downloading invoices, and noting any app connections you may need later. Cancellation affects connected services and automations, so it's smart to tie up loose ends first. Follow the on-screen steps, confirm the reason if asked, and complete the cancellation. Look out for a confirmation email to keep for your records. If instead you want more features, choose Upgrade Your Plan. You'll be shown plan options with a quick comparison of what's included. Review features you need, like advanced reporting, additional users, or inventory tools. Pricing can be prorated if you're mid-cycle, so you may see a partial charge now and a new ongoing rate. Select the plan that fits. Choose your billing frequency, review the total, and confirm. Wait for the success message and then return to your home page to verify that your plan name has updated. That's it. You've learned how to find your subscription page, update your payment method, cancel if needed, and upgrade when you're ready. Always watch for confirmation messages and emails, and keep a copy for your bookkeeping.